Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into the Hartford easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.thehartford.com. Press the enter key to navigate to the Hartford's homepage. Once the page loads, look for the login option at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you'll see fields for your username and password. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Ensure that your credentials are entered correctly. If you need to see your password, click on the eye icon next to the password field. Once you have confirmed your login information, click the login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your account dashboard. If you forgot your username or password, click on the appropriate link provided on the login page. Follow the prompts to recover your account information. Once logged in, you can access your policies, claims, and other account features. Now you are all set to navigate through the Hartford's online services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.